it's me, Brecky Breck, and today we're at Portland Music Company here in Portland, Oregon. We're gonna listen to music. Are you ready? Come on. Wow, there are so many different instruments that all have a unique sound, and they all have a different effect on music. So we're gonna learn all about those. Are you guys ready? Let's start over here. This is Andrew. Hi, Andrew.
Hi, Brecky Breck.
Wow, this is my friend, and he's a musician, so he can play a lot of different instruments. And we're gonna look at the piano first. Wow, look at this piano.
It's beautiful.
Wow, can you play us something, Andrew?
Of course, yeah.
So calm too. Wow. Well, thank you, Andrew. That's beautiful. And look at over here.
What do we got here?
This right here is a synthesizer, and this can be a really fun instrument. Well, since I haven't practiced any of these instruments, Andrew's gonna come along and play all these for me.
Wow.
Okay, Andrew, let's hear this one.
All right, this one's a fun one. Here we go. Got
Oh
some
boy.
dance.
You guys like to dance? That is super cool. Wow. Wow. Let's keep looking at some instruments. Wow. Look at over here. These are called acoustic guitars. Oh boy, and they're all so beautiful. They all have a really unique sound. Wow. Look at all these. Ooh, and look at these. These are little ukuleles. Those are tiny, and there's so many different colors. Let's look at them. There's blue, this is teal, pink, purple, brown, another like light blue or teal, and look at that's a flower one that's got green and yellow. My favorite colors. Wow, look at all these. Well, hey, should we have Andrew play us a little bit on the guitar? That's a good idea. Oh, here he is. Hey, Andrew. Can we hear you play something on this guitar?
Absolutely.
That has such a clean and calming feel to it. Wow. Wow, I love it. Wow, well after we listen to an acoustic guitar, we get to check out electric guitars. Look at all these electric guitars. Oh man, electric guitars, they can add so much to music. Do you want to hear one? Sometimes when you play an electric guitar, it can sound really rocky and crazy, and they can help you portray emotions. All of these instruments can help you portray a different emotion. So, Andrew.
Hey, Brecky Breck.
Oh, here he is. Hey, can you play us an electric guitar?
Absolutely.
Oh, man.
This is one of my favorites.
How about like a rock song so we can kind of
Okay.
rock out a little bit?
Yeah, we can do rock.
Yeah.
like that, right?
Oh, yeah!
one.
Wasn't that so cool? Well, now that we've heard like a rock and roll kind of guitar sound, let's come over here and maybe have Andrew play something a little bit cleaner and like jazzier. Still noisy though. I love instruments. They have so many different unique sounds. Play with Andrew. Let's go over here and pick out a little instrument to play. Whoa! Look at all these different percussion instruments. They all sound so different. Here's a tambourine. Ooh, let's see what this sounds like. That is super cool. Well, hey, let's play the tambourine with Andrew. That is so cool. Andrew, you are so good at playing instruments. How long have you been playing?
I've been playing since I was a kid, actually, since I was 10 years old.
Wow, so he's been practicing for a long time. So if you're young and you like instruments, you can start practicing at any point, and you'll probably get really good the more you practice. Wow, well, that was sure fun. Thanks, Andrew. Hey, do you think you could play a bass guitar?
Absolutely, that'd be fun.
Let's go do it. Whoa, look at all these bass guitars. There's so many. Oh, they're really cool looking. Look at the size of those strings on the bass guitar. They're really thick. Wow. Well, hey, Andrew's over here. He already picked one up, which is perfect. Now he can play a bass guitar. Let's hear it. That's got such a deep sound to it. Oh, I like this one. Since this is a bass guitar and it has such thick strings, Andrew's playing with his fingers. He's just plucking the string. That is so cool. Hey, let's go check out the drum sets. Come on. Whoa, look at over here. This is the percussion area. These are called wind chimes. Oh, wow. And this is a djembe. And these are congas. Whoa! So many cool instruments. Oh, look at over here. This is called a glockenspiel. That's a kind of a silly name, isn't it? Whoa. Hey, and it's a tiny drum set. Oh boy. Let's see here. Oh boy. Hey, maybe we should have Andrew play a bigger drum set so we can hear what that sounds like. Come on over here. Oh, hey, Andrew. Hey.
Hey, Brecky Breck.
So, can you play us this drum set just so we can hear what it sounds like?
Of course. Let's see.
This right here, this is called a snare drum. Ooh. And this is a ride cymbal. Then we have a bass drum, which you play with your foot. Look at that. So you really gotta multitask when you play. Go ahead, Andrew. Whoa. His hands and his feet are moving. Check this out. These are electric drums, which means you can plug them into an amplifier or put headphones on. Look at that. With electric drums, you can change the volume, change the sound of the different drums. Wow, let's hear it, Andrew. Oh, kind of funky. Whoa, that is super fun. This might be my favorite instrument. I love that funky sound. Wow, that was a lot of fun playing all this music. He is really good. Thank you, Andrew, so much.
Thank you, Brecky Breck.
You guys, if you want to hear more about Andrew's music, you should check out the link below. His name's Andrew Sereno. He's one of my closest friends. He plays really good music. Also, guess what? Music is a really fun way to be creative, to learn new things, and when you play music, it helps you portray emotions and different feelings or thoughts that you have. So if you ever want to start practicing, it's easy. You can either make an instrument or you can ask your parents about how to get a hold of some instruments to start practicing and playing. Well, thanks a lot for learning with me. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Are you on Facebook? So am I. Be sure to find me so you can stay up to date on all the special announcements and live events